Hi. On this short video, we will compare different microphone settings because even in the education, when you are talking with students on Zoom or Teams or whatever, it's the main idea is that, okay, you have something to say, but then the second important thing is that, okay, the voice is clear enough so they can follow what you are saying. The accessibility of our education, students' learning processes of a high pedagogical standard, and student well-being stands at the core of our activities and create pedagogical well-being. We develop our education in multidisciplinary and challenge-driven fashion with latest research findings, professional relevance, and societal needs in mind. We enable continuous learning through our accessible and diverse education offering. We increased the amount of education offered in English and the number of international students across all levels of education. We develop measures and procedures to promote the employment of our graduates.